able to check your text as I pulled into the garage. Look at this move. Holy. Oh no. Oh!
We have a dash cam.
What do you?
Good thing the dash cam's plugged in. Pull over here, baby.
Pull over here.
Highway 288 south for 1 mile.
100 marks. They got a lot of them, but I don't think they have a power back. Like if you don't want to bring that's fine, that's your call. But bring in somebody that's kind of like a downhill first and second down guy. If they don't have him, and I thought Mike.
Shit! Holy! Oh my God! Holy!
What happened?
Dude! Oh my God! Somebody probably just died. Holy!
Somebody just got hit?
No, they probably just died. I'm gonna call 911. I gotta go. Bye.
Bye. What?
Hey! Ah!
The color WISP.com.
For their company. In fact, according to a 2023 study by Principal, 87% of employees.
Okay, Garmin. Say video. I got it on video. You want it? Yes, please. I'll come around.
On the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a next to the front door with what she believed were the garage door switches. But, like the doors, these required a key to operate. Ballard
For the cash? No, you don't need to spend your money. It'll probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then? That might take a little longer from my location. But... No. Listen to me, okay? Sending the money doesn't take